I would like to share my experience. Through this hands-on experience program, I was able to make entries and all of that, so it was very impactful.
So the facilitator he was very cool. He made sure those that were stuck behind, he made sure everybody was on the same lane so that everything was okay.
That database will hold all your information from your customers, your suppliers, your bank accounts, your expenses. All information concerning your business will be kept in that database.
I was only into the theory part and didn't get to know more about the accounting part. So with this experience, I got to see how it's being used in real life. So I think that's helped me a lot.
Today, my experience here was very nice. It was very cool. The training, I felt like I was actually working. You know, I heard about Tally and I've seen it during my internship, but I did not get the opportunity to use it. But today, I had the opportunity and I felt like I was working. It was very nice. Yeah.
The training has been very insightful, very practical, and then personally as an entrepreneur, it has helped me to better understand some basic accounting systems and how to apply them on the job. And as a leader to help me to be able to analyze my books when it comes to financial records, reporting, and then presentation. Yeah.
We had an accounting section with Prymage, and the software we studied was TallyPrime. On this account, I was able to learn how to enter transactions and then make sales. I'd like to recommend Prymage to other institutions, schools, companies. Oh, you will never regret. Just give them a call and then they will come and then sort you out. Thank you.